Teacher May is very sick. I am here to apologize for all I may made a mistake, for what I just did to her. She has colon cancer. She always caring. I know I've been experienced when she's scolding me. That means she always care of you. She always love you. Oh, I mean that means mahal na kayo. Like I said, you know, for me, I know this is my consequence. This is my big mistake. To all of everyone, especially to all of you. Let's pray for Teacher May, and she will be recovered in the hospital. But this time, I will never say bad words. Because this is all my fault. This is all my fault for what I did to her. But I'm here to apologize with Teacher May to Burshow. I said to her, she always caring. Because me, when she calls me nagmamadali, or like I said, I know I was very angry. I'm very disappointed. Oh, I know I have stress, emotion, uh, psychological emotion, and I am here to make a public apology to all everyone. You know, for me, when I promised to J. Rick Silva, wag ka na gumawa ng fake account. Oh. I'm here to apologize. I removed Teacher May Tiburcio in my enemy list because she is very sick. Let's pray for her. But my real enemy only is Mark Cruz and Gina Sedjo, Jeffrey Sedjo, G. Macasandil. But I'm here to make public apology. Me, I apologize Escal Penumbra when I put edited the pictures. At least he understand. I hope he will understand what I just did to him. But for me, let's pray for him. Let's pray. I know this is my fault too. Because as I'm a content creator, as I'm a Duterte blogger, I know I want to say a public apology, o dahil napagalitan si Bill, napagalitan si Ibet, or napagalitan si Jens. I know it was me, napagalitan ako ni Teacher May. That's what I telling you to all of you. I know my mom said to me I was not kicked out in CDIFI because nasarado dahil sa pandemic. So perhaps I just want to realize to make my own valuable content in my YouTube blog. And I want to apologize to Teacher May sincerely. I will never do that again. But I'm here to make a public apology to all of you. What I realize I made a big mistake. I will never do that again. I will not say sorry many times. I say I apologize to Teacher May. Like I remember Irvin Tulfo insulted General Bautista, who is an AFP, and he was a DSWD secretary under by Rodrigo Duterte administration. He apologized. But for me, I will never do that again. I know my mom was saying she always caring. You know, for me, I don't want to do that again. For me, I talked to Teacher Marisa at the time. How was Yvette? Oh, that was a student of Teacher May. Oh, yeah, how is she? But for me, I will never do that again. I am here to make public apology to all of you. Like me, I just want to tell all the story was, and I am here to make good deeds. For me, like me, I follow in Instagram of Prince Gun. I comment on Teacher JD. I always say love. Love is means friends, not girlfriend. I said friends. But I'm here to make a public apology. I'm here to make sorry to all everyone. Me, I apologize Ate Dina already. I made my YouTube video last week. But I'm here to apologize. I will never do that again. Like I did to David Gill, I apologize too. Oh. This is all my fault. Because I know I was kicked out in CDIFI. I caused lots of trouble. For me, I want to tell something to all everyone, to all my friends, to all of people out there. I am here to make public apology. And I am here to make sorry to all everyone. She always loved, Teacher May is just like Nanay Ning Ning. Oh, she always taking care. She has colon cancer. I don't want Teacher May to die just like what happened to Nanay Baby. And I'm here to make apology. I thought Teacher May is Marcos loyalist. She is not. She is anti-Marcos. Because her nephew, Rafael, said to me. And I said, I apologize for that. But for me, I will never do that again. Because I always complain to Teacher May that I said before, I want to send a screenshot from Mark Cruz. He say about in Instagram, in thread, he says about bad words. Oh, I was very offended. And I know I felt sorry to all of you. I will never do that again.